there, I'm Sarah Maiga, your go-to real estate expert and broker of Maiga Homes. If you're new here and interested in all things real estate, be sure to hit the subscribe button by clicking that little icon in the bottom right-hand corner of the video. I publish videos on a new real estate topic every week, and you don't want to miss anything. Now, let me introduce today's topic, and the fourth video in the Best of Canton, Michigan series. And that is, what is a homestead exemption? When buying a new home, one of the questions asked is how much are the property taxes? In Michigan, property taxes are based on the taxable value of the house. If you're considering buying an existing home, the current property taxes are based on the taxable value established at the time of purchase, with annual increases that are capped. When you purchase that house or a new build, the new taxable value will be updated by the local assessor based on the sale price and local comparable sales. However, in Michigan, the taxes are decided based on two categories, homestead and non-homestead. So what is considered your homestead? You get to claim the homestead exemption if you're using the home as your permanent home or residence. You're only allowed one homestead in Michigan, so if you own multiple properties, whichever home you live in, which is classified as the home you return to from your travels, this is the home you would claim the homestead on. Other properties or homes that you may own do not qualify for this credit and will be taxed at the higher rate. In fact, your homesteaded property taxes will be 30 to 50% less than if you're not using it as your primary residence. So, why did the state of Michigan create a homestead property tax credit? Well, they did it to help defray some of your expenses and also encourage homeownership. So when buying a home, it is important to look at if the property is homesteaded or not. If at the time of purchasing the home it is not homesteaded, then you must own and occupy the home by June 1st of any given year to be able to get the homestead reduction for that summer tax bill. This is because the current owner's taxes are non-homesteaded and the summer tax bill is paid in advance and due in June. So if you buy a home and move in after this date on a non-homesteaded property, then you'll have to pay the higher tax bill for that first summer bill. Future bills will be reduced starting with the winter tax bill. Keep in mind too that at closing, you prorate the prepaid taxes back to the seller. So even if the new tax bill is lowered because you move in and occupy the residence before June 1st of any given year, you'll still be prorating the prepaid taxes back to the seller at the higher rate. Now, a great source of information is the website michigan.gov/taxes. Since everyone's situation is unique, please consult a tax expert for more specific information. I hope I've given you a lot to think about and that you've learned a ton from today's episode. As always, if you think you may want to make a move in the next year, or you might want to downsize, give me a call and set up a consultation today as I create custom moving plans for all of my clients up to a year in advance. Please consider subscribing to my channel today as I will be releasing new videos every week. And tune into next week's episode, what is a charter school versus a private school? And don't worry, if I'm not able to personally assist you, I'm well connected and can refer you to a similarly qualified agent anywhere in the world. In fact, if you haven't yet had a chance, please check out another one of my videos on why you should get a realtor referral for an agent when relocating. That will teach you all about how realtor-to-realtor referrals work and what to expect when you ask me for one. You can also check out my other series on relocation, selling a home, buying a home, new construction, downsizing, buying and selling simultaneously, and more. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.